and welcome back to day 9 of unboxing the Beatles Advent Calendar. Number 9, number 9, number 9. It is very appropriate that it's in John's box. If it weren't, I'd go flip a table because that would just be so inherently wrong that they wouldn't put number 9 in John's. But anyway, so let's see what we got. It's a bigger one. I think it's the first time we've seen one this size in this Advent Calendar, so I wonder what it is. It's not very heavy, whatever it is, so I really have no guesses. Let's see, we have more tissue. Oh, okay. Just when we thought we were done with Beatles socks, we have Love Me Do socks in this calendar. Alright, those are actually really cute, and given we're getting towards February, these will be perfect for Valentine's Day, aka my YouTube anniversary. So, alright, definitely gonna set these aside. I love that top little stretchy band. That's nicely done on these, actually. So, these are very well constructed. I am not disappointed. So, anyways, that's the update. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.